Bathroom sink clogged? RIDGID has you covered. The RIDGID PowerClear is the easy-to-use, on-hand drain cleaning solution for homes and businesses. The RIDGID PowerClear drain cleaning machine easily powers its way down 3/4 to 1.5 inch drains quickly to clear clogs with ease. The convenient Autofeed lets you advance and retrieve cable without touching it, so there's no mess on your hands. Powerful, compact, and simple to use, the RIDGID PowerClear drain cleaner is the easy way to clear clog. Shower filled up with water? The RIDGID PowerClear drain cleaner gets the clog cleared quickly and easily. It features a strong, durable cable to reach and clear obstacles up to 25 feet down the line that are out of the reach of other drain cleaning solutions. To clear drains without taking over your weekend. Bathtub not draining? The RIDGID PowerClear drain cleaner's durable 2-piece hose lets you get closer to the drain and keeps you and your work area clean. For a clear drain in no time. No matter what's to blame for clogging the pipe, the RIDGID PowerClear drain cleaning machine can help you clear it. It's convenient to transport and set up, does the job quickly and easily, keeps you and your work area clean, and clears the clog completely. Simple to use and compact enough to always keep on hand, the RIDGID PowerClear drain cleaning machine is the easy way to keep drains clear.